Hey everyone, Trina here, back with another watercolor video. I was playing around with some watercolor and then I put some acrylic ink over top of the watercolor and added the granulation medium, and you can kind of see what it did here. So we're going to play with that a little bit today. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off with just a little line. Kind of divide the page up. This is the Derwent Graphite Tint in Cool Gray. I kind of want it to come down here, and I think I'm just going to put it down through here a little bit too. Come in with our Neocolor I in the white. I'm going to make some lines through here just to kind of add like a resist. I've been doing this for a couple of videos, and I really like how it resists the paint and makes some pretty cool marks. So we got some here. I'm going to put some like right through here as well. Okay. Okay, we got our hockey brush all loaded up with paint. And I think what I want to do is I want to bring it kind of like out from the center. I don't know what I want to do. Let's just put down some paint and see what happens. That's a lot. Let's come in with a little bit of the Payne's Gray through here. I'm still trying to feel out this brush. I'm not quite sure. I love it. Just, it's almost too big for this paper. Okay, so we're going to let that sit for a while and come back. Well, maybe I might, actually, I think I want to take out some of these areas a little bit. And this is the indigo from the Haze set of Schmincke. I think that looks good. Oh, I kind of like those brush marks, but then I just took them out. Okay, we're gonna let that, we're gonna continue on. I'm gonna come through. I've also got this is the brown set from the desert set of Schmincke, and I'm gonna mix it in a little bit with the raw umber. I'm just gonna lay down some color through here. Let's make it a little more watery, I think. Put down some marks through here. Ooh, I like those marks. And I also think I want to add a little bit of the Cherry Pit black from the liquid charcoal set, like right through here. It's almost like a pinky red color. Well, brown, sepia maybe. Let's see what kind of marks we can make with this brush. Those are fun. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and then we'll come back and do some more. Okay, I've mixed up a little bit of the Cherry Pit with the indigo. I'm gonna come through here with just like, almost like dry brush. I don't really want to disturb what I got going on up there, but I kind of want a little bit more definition through here. Come in with a little bit more of that raw umber through here. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of the brown from the, oh God, what set is it? I don't even remember. The desert set. Just a little bit. I just kind of wanted some darker areas through here. So I don't know where I want to put it. Bring it up a little bit. Add some to over here, and this should granulate pretty nicely. I'm going to put some little dabs of the orange. Actually, I think this is the sanguine. I just thought that might be kind of a nice little color to add in there. And maybe a little bit up here as well. And I'm going to come in with the palette knife. Make some marks through here. Oh, I love my marks. Those are fun. Maybe I just like making marks. I like scribbling. Okay. Okay, we're going to come in with this Daler-Rowney sepia. It's almost empty. But we're not going to use a lot. We're just going to use like a little bit through there. And then I'm going to get out this is the granulation medium. A little squeeze bottle here. We're just going to squeeze some on there. Let it do its thing. I tried this and it turned out pretty great. Let's see. Let's just use this to kind of spread it around. Maybe put some more in there. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's draw some lines through here. I want this to come all the way down. But it might need more. Might need more medium. Really get it going. I like those marks. Those are fun. Ooh, that's going to be really cool, I think. This tape is not sticking at all. Yeah, I think that's going to work. Like, I couldn't get it. I really couldn't figure out how to work it with the watercolors, but I tried it with the ink and it worked really well. Get a lot of lines going on here. Maybe too many, don't know. We're just playing. That's what we do. Okay, let's let this dry and we'll come back. Okay, so I mixed up a little bit of this turquoise blue with the cherry pit. This is the Paul Rubens set. Oh gosh. And I kind of just want to bring a little bit of that through here. I know I said I wasn't going to futz with the sky, but I really wanted to add that color. So that's all I'm going to add, maybe. What if it was a little brighter down here at the bottom? Oh, I like that. I think that adds some drama. I'm always looking for drama. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right there. I'm gonna come in with a little bit of this Baked Earth from Derwent Graphite Tint. I'm just going to put a little bit of an orange line because I love this color. I think it's really, oh, I just got water on there. I really wanted to see what it looked like with this contrast with that turquoise color through there. I want it to come up a little bit more. Oh, I think that's nice. Let's come in with some carbon paper. I'll make some marks through here. I love these lines. That's probably enough. So this is just a water-soluble oil pastel in the color Umber that I put down on some deli paper. And then we're just going to make some marks through here. I think like just right through here. And I kind of want it to come up a little bit in that sky. That little white space up there. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. I know you guys are probably all getting sick of my lines. I can't help it. I love them. And maybe just a couple through here. Okay, the last thing I want to do is come in with this Midnight Black Graphite tint. I might get it a little wet. And I just want to make a line coming through here, like that. I like a line, a black line in the work. I think it kind of gives it some definition through there. Okay, let's take the tape off. Ooh, I like that turquoise with that orange. I think that's really nice. And I'm really liking the clean borders. I don't usually, I've been doing that lately and I'm kind of grooving on it. Okay, so we'll put a mat down. It's going to be a much smaller mat than the picture, just so you guys can kind of see like what it might look like with a mat. I would cut a bigger mat, but I kind of like what we got going on here, except for that part right there. Okay, things that I love. The granulation is phenomenal with that acrylic ink. Look at that. That's just fabulous. I maybe got a little too carried away. But I kind of like this sort of feel to it. The sky is still not quite where I want it to be. I need to practice my skies. I need to figure that out. But I do like the color choices. I like that teal. I like the marks. Maybe need to be a few more quiet spaces. I like the resist with those marks. Overall, pretty happy with it. I think it's pretty dramatic and fabulous, but I really need to work on the sky. I gotta figure out my sky thing. I love the granulation though that happened right through here. Maybe I just needed to spread it out more. I don't know. Work in progress. We will try again tomorrow, but it's getting there. It's just this middle part is really bugging me a little bit, but overall pretty happy. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video, and we'll do some more skies and landscapes and make some more marks. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye.